Welcome to the presentation of Pastochef RTL-I, Carpigiani's ideal machine for pastry and gastronomy that leaves more time for your creativity. Pastochef RTL-I is an electronic multi-purpose machine for classic confectionery and gastronomic recipes, including the 5 main pastry specialties: Pastry Cream, Bavarian Cream, Ganache, Pâte, as well as Jams and Marmalades. The machine is available in 3 sizes: 18, 32, and 55, with production capacities ranging from 7 kilograms to 50 kilograms of pastry cream per cycle. Thanks to its versatility, Pastochef RTL-I can mix, cook, pasteurize, cool, and even store your products, all while guaranteeing maximum hygiene. In addition to its 45 preset programs and 5 free programs, the machine can easily adapt to your favorite recipes by allowing you to adjust speed, time, and temperature ranging from 2 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius. The machine heats and cools using a dry bain-marie system that prevents the product from burning inside the cylinder, ensuring perfect mixing and cooking. Thanks to the inverter, Pastochef RTL-I has 9 continuous stirring functions, 4 of which are also in intermittent mode, ensuring optimal emulsion of ingredients and excellent consistency of the final product. The Ergonomic double lid allows for easy ingredient addition even during mixing. The scraper paddles of the beater and the uniquely designed removable flap create a spiral motion, both vertical and horizontal, ensuring thorough mixing and even cooking of the product. The spigot has 3 dispensing positions to accommodate different product consistencies. Additionally, it is equipped with a transparent cover to ensure maximum operator safety during extraction. The steel shelf can be adjusted in 4 positions to facilitate operations and can be set in a straight or upside down position to adapt to containers and trays of various sizes. To simplify cleaning, the cylinder and spigot are monolithic, a single continuous piece that ensures maximum hygiene. The machine also features a sprayer and removable components such as the extraction chute for easier washing. Pastochef RTL-I is Teorema ready. Teorema is a remote control and diagnosis system for monitoring of machine operations, accessible via computer or mobile device. Pastochef RTL-I is your essential partner in the production of pastry and gastronomic recipes. It stands for quality standardization, maximum hygiene, reduction of manual work, flexible production range. For further guidance on recipes, Pastochef RTL-I includes a detailed recipe book that can be downloaded using the QR code on the machine. The worldwide network of Carpigiani distributors can help you find the right machine for your business. You can find the contact of your local Carpigiani distributor as well as more info at carpigiani.com.